Hi, tonight we're going to talk about cultivate the witness. The benefit of cultivating the witness is to develop the ability to observe our emotions, thoughts, and experiences without getting entangled with them. It is the spiritual practice of mindfulness, self-awareness, and seeing unity behind diversity. The secret is to know who you are, your true identity. The Greeks said to find within your own being the realization of God as your true being. This is knowing we are a consciousness connected to the universe, a universal consciousness. Our life, mind, and body are within this awareness. Being the witness allows us to experience life fully while maintaining inner peace and clarity. This is the secret place of the Most High, a collective consciousness, what others call God. This timeless mystical knowledge is beyond religion and beyond reasoning, so it can't be expressed in words. Maharaj said, "The world you perceive is made of consciousness. What you call matter is consciousness itself." Eckhart Tolle says, "The awakening of consciousness is the next evolutionary step for mankind." Thich Nhat Hanh said, "In our consciousness, there are many negative seeds and also many positive seeds. The practice is to avoid watering the negative seeds and to identify and water the positive seeds every day." Water is a great teacher, telling us to focus on the positive while letting the negative be carried away with the current. The lesson is to embrace challenges and let negativity flow elsewhere or flow into non-existence. Holy water is resilient and seen as a symbol of flexibility and adaptability with a message of hope. We can't live without water or our breath, and focusing on them puts us into the present moment. Watching a stream or the ocean waves does the same thing, anchoring us in the now, just like watching our breath. They help us to observe our inner peace without getting lost in our thoughts as we flow past negativity. Water and our breath help us to step back from thinking and observe our thoughts without attachment. It strengthens our ability to witness rather than to react. Bruce Lee said, "Be like water, making its way through cracks. Do not be assertive, but adjust to the object, and you shall find a way around or through it." Lao Tzu said, "Nothing is softer or more flexible than water, yet nothing can resist it." Patanjali said, "Yoga is the setting of the mind into silence. When the mind has settled, we are established in our essential nature, which is unbounded consciousness." Our consciousness shapes our reality and our experience in being alive. It is up to us to cultivate this mindfulness and self-awareness. Throughout the day, we can witness our emotions and thoughts without judgment. Instead of being angry, say, "I am experiencing anger." Ask who is experiencing this. In this way, we can detach from associating with the anger and can witness it. From our consciousness, we detach from our emotions and thoughts and can observe them from a detached space. This helps us observe our emotions and thoughts in a space that cultivates the witness viewpoint. To develop awareness of the Spirit is a deeply personal journey. To nurture our spiritual growth, we don't need authority, just need to be a bold witness. Every day we witness our attitude, character, and actions. Ram Dass said, "The witness place inside you is simple awareness, the part of you that is aware of everything, just noticing, watching, not judging, just being present." Maharaj said, "Know yourself to be the changeless witness of the changeful mind. That is enough." Chopra said, "There is a part of yourself that is not subject to change. It is the silent witness behind the scenes. That is essentially your spirit." Practicing mindfulness, quieting the mind, and focusing on the present strengths of our connection to our spirit or consciousness. This self-reflection, contemplating our thoughts and emotions, helps us understand our spiritual needs and our inner self. This helps us grow deep roots so we can harvest the fruit of awareness. This awareness also has the fruit of the spirit or soul. Cultivating the witness and spirit connects us to the vastness of existence beyond the everyday mind. It is a bridge, a connection to the divine. It is not blind acceptance, but trust in our spiritual experience and greater self. The importance of witnessing and the reflection on spiritual awareness helps us in life as we witness our journey. Acknowledging the good and embracing gratitude promotes a positive attitude and an open spirit, compassion, and kindness. This enriches our life, creating meaningful connections to something greater, giving us an attitude of happiness and optimism. Chopra said, "There is a part of yourself that is not subject to change. It is the silent witness behind the scenes. That is essentially your spirit." Saint Francis de Sales said, "Have patience with all things, but chiefly have patience with yourself. Do not despair, for even the slowest progress is better than no progress." He also said, "Be not afraid of growing slowly. Be afraid only of standing still." Thank you.